Crumbl cookies review. Not too much pumpkin, just right. It's like a creamy, dreamy cloud of comfort. 7.8 out of 10. It's hard, cold, a bit dry. 3 words that you don't want in a sentence. 6 out of 10. Kind of looks like me. Another cold one, tastes buttery. These chilled cookies can go Biscoff. 6.5 out of 10. Peanut butter filling tastes like it was cooked in a microwave, and that Oreo is not Oreo. 4 out of 10. Woo! Those little balls of confetti pop in my mouth, and I love when I'm caught by surprise. 8 out of 10. Not too sugary, not too buttery, melts in my mouth, but not in my hand. 7.2 out of 10.